Good morning. Today we're going to talk about using Naviance to complete some self-identification information. So, students, if you will, go to the Collierville High School website. When it opens up, this is what it's going to look like. You're all very familiar with this. This is our school. It's our school website. Everything you guys need, of course, is here. So you're going to go here to Classlink. You're going to open Classlink. Now your Classlink will look slightly different than mine. However, you're going to go to the Naviance site right here. Naviance ID. You're going to look for this green box that says Naviance ID. All right. You're going to click on that. It's going to open you a separate window. Right here, you're going to go to, as you're going to take you to the Naviance site, you're going to say sign in to your Naviance ID. Your Naviance ID was given to you by your counselors earlier this year. If you don't have that stuff, come see me or email your counselor as quick as possible, and we can get that to you. You're going to go here. Of course, mine is pre-filled and saved. I recommend you do the same thing. We're going to log in. It's going to take you to a page. It looks a little different than mine, right? So I'm going to go to this demo, which will make it look just like your page, which is actually great because I can see exactly what you see. All right, when you guys get to your Naviance page, this is what you're going to see. You've got a college name, you can search for colleges, all kinds of things. Some of you guys are freshmen, some of you guys are new transfer students here. Some of you are old heads, as we would like to say, the old dogs who've been here for a while. And some of you may have already done this stuff. If you already have, it's great. We'll have more things to do on Naviance. But you're going to go up here to Self-Discovery. You're going to click Self-Discovery Home. Here, you're going to see the things that I'm talking about I need you to work on. We have all these little cards, 4 across, and there's 2 sets of 4 across, right? You see that we have these Achieve works, the intelligences, learning and productivity, personality, skills. Skills is kind of a new one, I think. We have a career cluster finder, a career interest profiler, a career key, and a strengths explorer. All of these things are going to be valuable to us. Trying to figure out a little bit better about who you are and how you learn. All right. We are going to do all of these over the course of this school year, but some of the ones that we're going to do as fast as possible due to IEP paperwork and stuff that we need for you guys. So the 3 that I need you to do are going to be interest profiler, career cluster finder, and the career key. Those are the immediate ones I need done by the end of this week. So you've got about 4 days to get this knocked out, and I can see your progress and how you're going. I'm going to walk you through one of them because the other ones all kind of work the same. We're also going to do these others, the Strengths Explorer, these personality ones, which are pretty cool. You're going to go to the Career Cluster Finder card. You're going to hit Start Assessment. Right here, you'll see all this stuff. It's going to tell you what it does, right? What's in it for you. You're going to learn how well each of these national career clusters fits your current interests and qualities. You're going to be able to jumpstart your career. If you guys are stuck on what you want to do, you don't know if you want to go to college, you don't have a clue what's going on, maybe this will help you help you as a guide. Maybe it'll help you get there. It also helps us teachers understand you a little bit better. So please answer these as truthfully as possible. Don't answer what you think we want to hear. Please answer them for what you think is true for you. All right? We're going to click Start Assessment right here. So simple. You're going to be given a question or a statement. Do you like to learn how things grow and stay alive? I do. Do you like to hunt or fish? I do. I just never have time for it. Do you like to protect the environment? Yeah, I really do because I like those other 2 things. Read, follow blueprints, and or instructions. actually do. It's the reason I really like Legos. It's also the reason that I am a absolute whiz at putting IKEA furniture together. I can do all these things. Work with my hands, I definitely do. Perform work that requires precise results. Man, I do like it, but I am not as good as it as I should be. Solve technical problems. I would say I like it. I like solving problems, period. Visit and learn from beautiful, historic, interesting buildings. I really do like this too. Follow logical step-by-step procedures. Of course, that follows back in with the other things. Perform in front of others. I really dislike that. I play the guitar and I love playing, but man, if I could just turn my back and not ever see anybody while I play, that'd be great. I enjoy the aspect of playing together with other musicians, but man, I don't like this. Playing in front of people. I don't like singing in front of people. Don't like doing acting or anything like that. Even though when I played basketball, I was playing in front of people. Man, still didn't like it. Just blocked out the crowd as best I could, so I dislike this. Read and write. As much as I say I like it, which I do, and I think it's valuable, I'd rather be doing something else. So I'm just going to say dislike here because it's true. Play a musical instrument. Yeah, I just told you. I like to play the guitar and other musical instruments. Design brochures and posters. Nope, not my thing. Work with numbers and detailed information. Kinda. So I'm going to lean towards like because I like measurements and I like other forms of math, especially statistics when it comes to sports. Be the leader in the group. I do not always like this. I like being somebody who's respected in the group. If that makes me a leader, sometimes cool. But I'm going to say dislike. Work with computer programs. Don't really like it, but it's a necessity, so I'm going to say I dislike it. Create reports and communicate ideas. No, I do not like doing reports, but I have to do them for my job. I just don't like them. Help others with their homework to learn new things. Yeah, I really do. And you guys get the gist of what we're doing. You just keep on reading. Again, if you need help completing this activity, you can either ask me, your case manager, or if you have a Learning Lab course, you can talk to them about that. All right. But like I said, we need all of these done by the end of the week, right? And that's just part of it. I'm still going through answering questions while I'm talking to you. We just need these done by the end of the week. So here's the thing, too. If you don't finish this right now, it's great. It shows your progress right up here at the top, which is awesome. You can go back to self-discovery, home, and you can see how far along you are. So if you get stuck on one, you might want to click Career Key. Yeah, you can do again, Start Assessment. Looks a little different, right? Take a look at the list of careers and occupations. Think about your aspirations. Click or tap the ones that you'd like to do. So here, got all these different ones that you might like to do, right? And you can obviously click more than one, and then you would click Next when you are done. You just move through that, right? There's only 5 of these, so it's pretty easy. All right, guys. When you're done, make sure you just close this window. And from there, you're going to be getting emails from your counselors, probably asking you about some courses, some career information. There's some more stuff here. Colleges, how you plan your visits and great things. There's a planner here. It's pretty awesome stuff. So, again, if you need help on this, please let me know. All of this stuff stays here. It's a great website. It's a great thing for you guys to do. Please let me know if you need any help. I'm always here to help, and I'm always here to help guide you if I don't know what to do. You guys have a great day.